I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example Form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Search and select benchmark. Give your API secret key. So please visit Benchmark API token. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Map the respective fields. You can update benchmark by check this box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the benchmark page and refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the benchmark. Thanks for watching.